Facts about the closed and abandoned train stations on Melbourne's train system. Part 2. Somerton Station. Somerton Station opened on the 15th of May 1881. It closed on the 13th of January 1903. In 1953, the station reopened to serve the Ford Motor Company. It closed again in 1960. Mont Park Station. Mont Park Station opened in 1911 and closed in 1957. It served the Mont Park Asylum. Mount Evelyn Station. Mount Evelyn Station opened in November 1901. It opened as Olinda Vale and it was changed to Evelyn in 1907. Mount was added in 1919. It closed in August 1965. Wandon Station. Wandon Station opened in November 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Seville Station. Seville Station opened on the 13th of September 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Killara Station. Killara Station opened on the 13th of November 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Woori Yallock Station. Woori Yallock Station opened in November 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Launching Place Station. Launching Place Station opened on the 13th of November 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Yarra Junction Station. Yarra Junction Station opened in November 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Westburn Station. Westburn Station opened on the 13th of September 1901 and closed in August 1965. It was originally called West Warburton. Millgrove Station. Millgrove Station opened in November 1901 and closed in August 1965. It served the Warburton line. Warburton Station. Warburton Station opened on the 13th of September 1901 and closed in August 1965. It provided better facilities for the loading of timber from the numerous mills. Coldstream Station. Coldstream Station opened on the 15th of May 1888 and closed in 1992. The station was destroyed by fire in the late 1990s. Yering Station. Yering Station opened on the 15th of May 1888 and closed in March 1981. It wasn't officially closed until 1903. It served the Hillsville line. Narrabee Station. Narrabee Station opened as part of the Mornington line and closed on the 22nd of June 1981. Langwarrin Station. Langwarrin Station opened in October 1888 and closed on the 22nd of June 1981. The station served the Stony Point line. Lyndhurst Station. Lyndhurst Station opened in 1888 and closed in 1981. The station served the Cranbourne line. Mobiletown Station. Mobiletown Station opened in 1953 and closed on the 29th of January 1985. It opened as the Standard Oil platform next to the Vacuum Oil Company. When the company changed its name to Mobil in 1954, it was renamed to Mobiletown. Paisley Station. Paisley Station opened in 1929 and closed in 1905. The station served the Werribee line. It had two platforms. Gavin Station. Gavin Station opened on the 27th of August 1927 and closed on the 14th of April 1985. The station was named after Michael Gavin. It served the Werribee line. Williamstown Pier Station. Williamstown Pier Station opened in January 1859 as the original terminus of the Williamstown line. It closed on the 25th of March 1987. It was originally named Pierce Station. South Melbourne Station. South Melbourne Station opened on the 16th of September 1858. It closed in November 1987. It opened as Emerald Hill. It has now been converted to a tram stop. Albert Park Station. Albert Park Station opened on the 27th of November 1860. It closed in August 1987. It was originally known as Butts until 1872. is now being converted to a tram stop. Middle Park Station. Middle Park Station opened in July 1883 and closed in August 1987. It served the St Kilda line and has been converted to a tram stop. St Kilda Station. St Kilda Station opened on the 13th of May 1857. It closed in August 1987. It was the terminus of the St Kilda line and was one of the first train lines built in Melbourne. It was the second most busiest station in Victoria. In the 1920s, it has been converted to a tram stop. Montague Station. Montague Station opened in June 1883 and closed on the 11th of October 1987. It has been converted to a tram stop and has been renamed to Montague Street. Northport Station. Northport Station opened in February 1859 and closed on the 11th of October 1987. It opened as Raglan Street, then renamed to North Sandridge in 1867. Port Melbourne North in 1886 and Northport in 1902. It has now been converted to a tram stop. Graham Station. Graham Station opened in June 1888 and closed in October 1987. It has now been converted to a tram stop. And Port Melbourne Station. Port Melbourne Station opened on the 13th of April 1854. It was the first train line ever opened in Melbourne, running from Flinders Street. It has now been converted to a tram stop. Werribee Racecourse Station. Werribee Racecourse Station opened in 1884 and closed in March 1995. It served the former the Werribee Racecourse. Princess Bridge Station. Princess Bridge Station opened in 1959 and was the terminus of the Epping and Hurstbridge lines. It was named after the nearby Princess Bridge. It was built next to Flinders Street Station. It closed in 1997 before the Federation Square was built. General Motors Station. General Motors Station opened on the 18th of November 1956. It closed in July 2002. It served the General Motors Holden factory. It served the Pakenham line. The Puffingbilly and Mornington railway lines are not part of the Melbourne's train system, but are now used as a tourist attraction. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you learned something new about the closed and abandoned train stations on Melbourne's train system.